Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, my dear student? Today we will take chapter 3, subtraction. We will complete. Here we will take page number 50. Three-digit numbers, regrouping tens and hundred. Here exercise 3.2. We will solve number 1 and 2. And this is your homework. Let's start. Regrouping and subtracting three-digit numbers, exercise 3.2. Regroup the tens. So here I will show you how. Here we regroup. This is ones, tens, hundred. Okay. So we regroup to tens place. Okay. Why we regroup here? Because look here, my dear. We have 564 minus 138. Here 8, when we start subtract, we start from ones place. But look here, this 8 and 4, we cannot subtract 8 from 4. Because of that, we regroup from 100 place to tens place. We take 1, we borrow 1 from 6. So 6 will be 5 and 4 will be 14. Now you can subtract 8 from 14, sorry. So to subtract 8 from 14, so you can count after 8 till 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 6. Now you can subtract 3 from 5. Yes, it is 2. We can also subtract 1 from 5. It will be 4. Type. Next here, I also here we regrouping. Okay, for tens place. Because look here, I cannot subtract 4 from 2. Because 2 is smaller than 4. So I will borrow 1 from 9. 9 will be 8 and this 2 will be 12. Now take away 4 from 12. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8. Now take away 2 from 8, it is 6. Take away 5 from 7, it is 2. Next here, 884 minus 326. Here also, we cannot subtract 6 from 4. Because of that, we regroup to ones place. We will take away 1, we will borrow 1 from 8. So 8 will be 7 and this 4 will be 14. Now take away 6 from 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8. Now take away 2 from 7 now, here, it is 5. Take away 3 from 8, it will be also 5. Next here, also here, we need to borrow 1 from 6. Why? Because we cannot subtract 9 from 7. 7 is smaller than 9. Because of that, I will borrow 1 from 6. 6 will be 5. And this 7 will be 17. Now take away 9 from 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. Now take away 4 from 5, so it will be 1. Take away 2 from 4, it will be 2. Okay, now here regrouping the hundreds. So I will show you how. Look here, 964 minus 192. So look here, in ones place, it is normal to subtract 2 from 4. But look here, in tens place, we cannot subtract 9 from 6 because we are regrouping from 100 place. So I will show you how. Now take away 2 from 4, it is 2. Take away 9 from 6, you cannot. So borrow 1 from 9. This 9 will be 8 and this 6 will be 16. Now count from 9 till 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. Now take away 1 from 8, it will be 7. Next here, also we regrouping from 100 place. Why? Because here 4, if you subtract 4 from 8, it will be 4. Type. You can subtract 9 from 8? No. Because of that, I will regrouping from 100 place. So I borrow 1 from 7. 7 will be 6 and this 8 will be 18. Now, if you take away a 9 from 18, it will be 9. Now, take away 2 from 6, it will be 4. Next here, look here also, in ones place, it is normal. We can take away 6 from 7, it will be 1. But in tens place, we cannot subtract 8 from 7. Because of that, I will regrouping from 100 place. I will take 1. So this 5 will be 4, and this 7 will be 17. Count from 8 till 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 9. Now take away 1 from 4. It will be 3. Last one here. Also here in ones place, it is normal. You can take away 7 from 8. It will be 1. But in tens place, you cannot take away 8 from 3. Because of that, I will regrouping from 100 place. So 5 will be 4. And this 3 will be 13. Now take away 8 from 13. Yes, it will be 5. Take away 1 from 4. It will be 3. So this is our lesson for today, and this is your homework. Thank you and see you next class.